Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Neha and today I am speaking to you from Greece. Yes, I really can't believe I'm in Greece and it's my first time here and we all know it's beautiful. But basically I'm here on a press trip with the Mark Warner Holidays to check out their new resort called the Paleros Beach Resort. It's about a 20-minute journey from the Preveza airport. So I took a flight from the Heathrow airport to the Preveza airport and it was really beautiful as well. The flight was amazing. So I'm here for a good 5 days, which is amazing because 5 days in Greece, oh yes. And I'm here to check out the different services, the things they do, different activities and all sorts of things around. And so yeah, I'm here for a good 5 days and I really can't wait to get the day started. I actually landed yesterday, but I really was so tired I couldn't really vlog so much. But today onwards I'll be vlogging each and every moment for you guys to check it out. So let's go. But first, I'm gonna go for breakfast. It's customary, right? We've just come for breakfast along with these beautiful people. Say hi guys! So yeah, before we head out for the day, we're just going to get something to eat and then yeah, let's get the day started.
Coming home, we're coming home, we're coming home right now. 'Cause I know, yes I know, we see it all, we turn the world around.
Alright guys, so we just got done with breakfast and now we've just come to the beach. Check out the Paleros beach. Where are all the people down there? So yeah, we've got a couple of things planned for the day, but for now we're just chilling at the beach and we've got a meeting, and after that we'll be checking out a couple of their activities. So we're going to be starting with the water activities, which I'm really scared of because everyone knows I'm really scared of water. But yeah, I really want to see how it goes. So yeah, can't wait. How are you enjoying yourself? I'm so hot. So we just got done with the basic briefing, the safety briefing, and now we're going for the resort tour, and it's super sunny.
You try to both it seems, lit the firelight, oh, we're coming home, we're coming home, we're coming home right now. 'Cause I know.
Guys, there's just so many things that you can do here. I mean, you can go for the activities, they've got so much going on.
When you're high up on your life, ready to break the spell, just look above the sky.
Alright peeps, so we just got done with the resort tour and now we're just like chilling. We're going to go for lunch around 1 o'clock and I've still got an hour. So I'm just literally just by the pool. Check this out.
Yes, I know, we see it all, we turn the world around.
peeps, I just got done with lunch and now I'm off to sail. I mean, it's my first time ever. We've just got our brief and safety instructions done and now we're just going to go for sailing. So yeah.
We're coming home right now, 'cause I know, yes I know, we see it all, we turn the world around. We turn the world around. We turn the world when you're home, your life, ready to
Instructor.
So I literally just got done with the sailing and we just went to our rooms to chill out. I also happened to swim today, so it was so cool. I really can't explain what I'm feeling because the feeling was so good. I mean, every time I've been to the pool, it's always been so calming, and that's exactly how I'm feeling. So I just wanted to let you know that I actually swam for about 5 meters. I mean, that's an achievement for someone who doesn't know how to swim. So I mean, I'm just so thrilled because if I can take away swimming from here, that would be a big achievement. And yeah, now we're just going to go for for dinner or just for some drink. I've literally just reached my room and it's been such a busy day. We went for swimming, we went for sailing, which was so amazing. I mean, I've never been in water for so long, so that is something that I've actually achieved today. So this brings us to the end of day 1 and I'll be covering the other days as we go along in a separate vlog. So yeah, stay tuned for that vlog and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!